Hi all, welcome to this course on production planning and control. Today we'll be learning about the process planning in different situations. In the previous class or the previous video, we have learned about the production planning process. How to execute that in different situations is what we'll be learning. Like the interaction of different planning functions can be done with geometric reasoning, where we have the global and the local geometry, can be done with the setup planning, where we have a feature relationship, approach directions, process constraints, and the fixture constraints. Or we have a process selection, then we'll go to the process capability and the process cost. If we have a cutter section or cutter selection, then we have the available tools, tool dimension and geometry, and the geometric constraints. If we have the machine tool selection, then we will be finding the machine availability, cost, and the machine capability. If we have a fixture planning, then we'll go for the fixture element function, location, support, and the clamping surfaces and the stability. Finally, if we have the cutter path generation, then we'll go to the features which are merging and splitting, path optimization, obstacle and interference, and the avoidance of this cutter path generation. And based upon that, we plan these different functions. Hence, the factors which affect the process plan selection are the shape of the object, the tolerance which is required, the surface finish which is required, the size of the material type, the quantity which are being produced, whether it is a mass quantity or for lesser quantity, the value of the product, the urgency of which it is delivered. If it is for medical requirements, then it is very utmost important, or it should be delivered at a faster rate. Similarly, and finally, the manufacturing system itself will take how much amount of time, etc. So based upon these properties or these points, we will be planning the process, or the process plan selection will be done based upon these processes. Thank you.